The project for today is to fix our porch light. So this porch light hasn't worked since we got the coach, and I finally got a chance to do a little troubleshooting and found that there's power at the switch, there's power at the light, but the light bulb doesn't light up. And I tried an incandescent bulb and a LED bulb. The LED bulb, you could get just a little bit of flicker, but it wouldn't light up. And so I used the multimeter and tested things out, and what I found is that the socket in this, it's screwed down, so I'll take it apart in a minute, but the socket inside of this is just all corroded and rusted, and even with some sanding, I wasn't able to get a good connection to the light bulb, and so it just won't light up. And so really the problem is ground. So I think I need to just replace this whole thing. Now, I couldn't find a new light fixture like this, but it's very similar to the clearance lights on top. And I was able to get a new one of those, and I was able to get a clear cover for it. So this is just like the old yellow one, and it does fit right on this light housing, and so I'll be able to replace this and have a nice new clear housing. So that's the plan. All right, so the screws here, even though they were kind of rusty, came out just fine, which is a refreshing change to normally having to drill screws out. The wire, so it's grounded through these screws and into the body here, but the power wire goes through the wall, and it's all gooed up, and there's a connector on the inside and things that this new one won't really connect to very well. And so I think what I'll do is I will cut the power wire out here, and the switch is off, so I don't need to worry about blowing a fuse or anything like that. But I'll cut this off, and I'll wire this new one right into this wire that's coming outside the body. All right, so I've got this mounted nice and tight, and I'm trying to use stainless steel screws wherever possible as I'm replacing things, because this is grounded through the screws and those connections to the body. I want to make sure I have a good connection there. So I got that. This housing originally came with a 921 light bulb, but the 921 light bulbs I have are too long to fit under the cover, and so I'm using a 194, which is pretty bright. It's definitely a lot brighter than the incandescent bulb that I think would normally be here, and it's an LED, so I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to now put the cover on, make sure it's latched at the bottom, and we'll turn it on and test it. All right, it works. And now we've got a porch light.